Hey guys, it's Arshadilas here. Welcome to my channel. On this video, we're going to unbox a MacBook Pro device. This MacBook Pro comes with an M3 chip on it. So without any delay, let's dive into the video and see what's inside this box. This is the MacBook Pro that we're going to unbox today. This particular MacBook comes in two different colors, space gray and silver. Spec-wise, this particular MacBook has an M3 chip with 8-core CPU, and it comes with a 14.2-inch liquid retina display and has a 8 GB RAM, 512 GB SSD hard drive, and it weighs only 3.4 pounds. Now let's unbox the device and see what's inside this box. Also, this particular MacBook has an impressive battery life of up to 22 hours. However, if you're browsing internet or watching videos continuously, then the battery would last up to 15 hours. Now let's unbox it and see what else is inside this box. And this is the MacBook Pro. It's a silver color device. This MacBook Pro is pretty heavy compared to most of other MacBook Pros. Like I said, it weighs 3.4 pounds and has a thickness of 0.61 inches. It comes with a magnetic charger, magnetic to Type-C. I prefer magnetic charger because even if you trip on the wire, the device won't fall to the ground and the MacBook will be safe and secure. Also, it comes with our 70-watt Type-C AC adapter. Also, there's a manual inside this cover. If you want to read, there you go. But I would rather just put it aside, and let's unwrap the MacBook and see how it looks like. I really like the texture of this MacBook Pro. Compared to most of the MacBook Pros, this one has a little bit of matte texture. Has 4 non-sliding legs, I would call. It's pretty heavy, but it's really handy. Now let's open it up and boot up the device. Don't forget to remove the cover on this LCD. Alright, there you go. You see the hello screen, and let's continue the setup process. First, choose the language you prefer. Click next, or the right arrow. Then select the region. I'm going to select Canada, and then you have to connect to your Wi-Fi. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Mine is a pretty long password, so yeah, I have to enter my password and then click continue. Then click continue again. And if you don't want to migrate data from another Mac device, then you can set it up as a new device. If you already have an Apple ID, you can sign in with that, but I'm just going to skip that part. Obviously, you have to agree to the terms and conditions. You don't have a choice. And here you can create an account. This will be your primary account for this device. So I'm going to call this admin. And the username will be automatically selected as admin as well. And now I have to select a strong password. I will type a simple password for now. Later I can change it. Click continue. It will take a few seconds for the device to create the account for you, so be patient. I'm showing this on real time so you'll know what to expect and how long you have to wait for this device to create their login profile for you. I prefer to have the location enabled so you can locate the device if it's missing. Click continue again for analytics. Screen time, I can set it up later. Siri, I can disable it for now. I can enable it later on if I want. Touch ID, I can set it up later. Click continue. For the desktop view, let's keep it auto. Alright, there you go. That's the main page. The beautiful dock is all the way in the bottom. When you click on settings, that's where you see all their information of the device. Usually these devices comes with the latest operating system, Sequoia. If it's not, then you can upgrade it to Sequoia. It will give you that option to upgrade, and there you go. It is our MacBook M3 device and runs Sonoma right now, but later on I can upgrade to Sequoia. If you have any questions or concern about this video, please don't forget to comment below. I will try my best to respond as soon as possible. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have some really good contents regarding tech, about unboxing, troubleshooting, and everything about technology. So far I have 25 plus videos on my channel, and I will continue to post some good contents. I really need your support, so please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and support my channel. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. Until I see you on another video, it's peace out from Harshad.